Buddy, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I am here with Oldies but Goodies Gen X Toon ATC cards, and I am co-hosting this with Sabrina _ Crafty Journey. And this week's two are Blue Falcon and Dynamite, and Chip and Dale's Rescue Rangers. And this is, I didn't know what Blue Falcon was, or Dynamite, my bad, Dynamite was. So that's another one I had no clue. But so when I did some research and Googled it, this is what I found. So it's a Scooby-Doo and a Blue Falcon right there. I don't even know if those were bad guys, good guys, or what. I have no idea. Now, let's see. There we go. Yeah, Dynamite and Blue Falcon. Well, they look like, I don't know, out of space kind of thing. But we're talking something with Scooby-Doo, I guess. And we all know the Rescue Rangers, Chip and Dale. And this is what I did for this one. These have been fun. It takes you back to your memories and your childhood, even if some that you may not even recognize, like myself. There's a few I was like, what? But I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.